Is there going to be like a UN department, like the Federation, like Confederated Planets?
That's a good idea. I don't know.
I guess that's what the UN is. It's kind of like all the...
It is, except it's terribly weak right now. Yeah, I mean, there have to be so many agreements between the different countries. There's, 205 countries in the world right now. And we've got the Western ones, the first world nations, that are basically doing the huge bulk of the polluting right now. The developing nations still do almost none of it in comparison. And they want to live like we live, like you said. They're burning a lot of fossil fuels, trying to catch up. There's a big middle class coming up in the entire world now. I mean, India, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, a few other places are the BRIC countries, which are like the sort of second world nations that are really like rising really fast. Their economies are growing and their people are getting richer and stuff. So it's going to get worse before it gets better, but we need to find some way to organize the first world nations who have to reduce, and the second world nations, which will either have to reduce or stay the same, and then the third world nations, which we need to bring to something like our level. We can't tell them to live in mud huts forever. They're not going to do that. They'd much rather tell us to go fuck ourselves. But there's going to have to be some kind of agreement worked out between everybody involved, because we all share the same atmosphere. Like, there's no borders like there is on land. The carbon that I put in the atmosphere affects the breathability of somebody in Western China, and vice versa. So some kind of realization that we're all in this together is going to be necessary. We can't solve this as a bunch of nation states independently. But that makes me excited, because then we got Starfleet. We can get on with exploring the universe. You know? Prime directive. Let's do it.
Matter generators.
That's not a thing.
Well, Earl Grey, hot.
Yeah, we have 3D printers,
Yeah.
but we can't generate matter. You can't make matter or energy out of nothing,
That's true.
unfortunately. You still need energy
Not
to run
yet.
stuff. Not yet. So far as we know, it's not possible. Nobody's really trying to build a matter generator yet. But 3D printing is very exciting.
Can you make like rice paper or something, like rice? What are they called? Rice cakes.
Print out some
Yeah,
cakes.
you can print food.
Then
You can print food.
eat it.
Yeah, but you gotta have rice to put at the top first.
This is a good solution.
We'll eat it.